Hello everybody, Johnny G, Naked Racer Moto Co. Welcome back. Today we're here with our beautiful Honda CB400F, and I'll give you a rundown of what happened with Honda. 1969, they came out with a very famous Honda CB750, the K0, and took the world by storm. Transverse, 4-cylinder, basically called the universal Japanese motorcycle, because going forward from that time, that's pretty much the formula that all Japanese motorcycles took. They had, triple disc brakes, they had transverse 4-cylinder engine, 5-speed transmission. That same format of that first Honda was succeeded later on the Z1 Kawasaki and all the way through, and you can still see it in motorcycles today. Anyway, that came out in 69, and by 71, Honda started making smaller capacity transverse 4-cylinder bikes like the CB500, and then later on the CB350 and they were beautiful. They also had 4 exhausts, and they made them for a couple of years, and by 1974 they came out with this beauty here. And what you'll notice about these bikes is that they changed the formula a little bit. Much lower handlebars, the foot pegs moved back a little bit, and it had more of a Café racer look, especially with this kind of seat layout and everything. So they made a 4-into-1 first time that was done. A beautiful factory original 4-into-1 exhaust, very sporty looking. And these things, just really helped drive the nail in the coffin of the British motorcycle manufacturers, because when they came out in 1975, Norton and Triumph were just still struggling along. These came out, did like 110 mile an hour, didn't leak oil, easy to start, ran like a watch, and they helped bring the British motorcycle industry to an end, and for obvious reasons. So what we've got here is probably, I want to say, one of the prettiest bikes Honda made in that era. Things got remarkably ugly after this. They brought out, the CBX400, which was really the successor for this, but even the twins, CB400T and CB400Ns, were hideously ugly motorcycles in my book. This here is just a timeless looking motorcycle. It's a beautiful tank, fantastic 4-into-1, Café style bike. It's pretty all round. There's not an ugly side to it really. And we're going to get it out on the road and see how it goes in real life. What do you reckon? I'll see you out there. It's a bit small for me, the old 400. It's still fun to ride, but the motor really winds up, it wants to go. That's one that we want to make a race on that. Alright, that's all for now, folks. See you soon. Okay guys, so if you're interested in a beautiful little Honda for your collection, an original paint bike with the factory original exhaust, unrestored, a great example, goes well, and it's just the way it left the factory. It's all original, this is your opportunity. Come down and see us at Naked Racer Moto Co. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, follow and share, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.